So, hi guys, my name is Mel. My pronouns are she and her, and I am on the welcoming team. I'm a Sciclone. I'm also part of the fundraising committee, arts committee, and dance committee.
So, hi guys, similar to Mel. My name is Veronica. My pronouns are she to her, and I am a Sciclones. I am part of the fundraising committee.
Hi, I'm Rachael. My pronouns are she and her. I am the fourth year representative on McMaster's Biology Society, and I'm entering my final year of honors biology. And I think that the reason that I probably chose honors biology was that it gave me enough sort of freedom and wiggle room to do a minor in anthropology.
Awesome, very cool.
Cool. Hi, I'm Michelle, and my pronouns are she and her. I'm one of the third year representatives for the Biology Society this year, and in September I'll be going into my third year of the Honors Bio program. I chose this program because Bio 1 AO3 and 1 MO3 were my favorite classes in first year, and I just really like how I have the opportunity to explore so many aspects of biology, and I've also been able to do some really cool labs and just explore so many topics that make up biology.
So, Rachel, what specialization does your department offer?
Biology has a ton of different specializations. To make it easier, I think I'll just split it into like honors programs, and then there's interdisciplinary programs, which is where the biology department partners with another department for a single program. So in honors programs, there's obviously core biology. So honors biology is what Michelle and I are both in. There's also honors biology with the discovery subplan. So that's sort of more research-based, and you get a lot of lab experience. There's honors molecular biology and genetics, and you have a co-op option with that one, which is really cool. You've got the physiology specialization. There's also honors biology neuroscience, which is in conjunction with P&B, if you've heard the acronym before. Psychology, neuroscience, and behavior. The interdisciplinary honors programs, there's 4 of them. So there's honors biology and environmental science, honors biology and mathematics, honors biology and psychology, which is a little different from the first honors program, but it's still partnered with P&B. And then the last one is biology pharmacology, which is actually partnered with health sciences and also has a co-op.
For our second question, Michelle, would you like to answer what courses are taken in second year?
Yeah, for sure. So every honors bio student has a lot of flexibility in terms of electives. However, there are a few second year courses that you have to take. Each student has to take an organic chemistry, a genetics, and a statistics course. And you'll also have to complete 3 from a list of 5 second year courses. The list includes animal physiology, cell biology, biodiversity, microbiology, and applied ecology. But the great thing is that you can choose any 3 from those list of 5, so you can take the courses that interest you the most.
Rachel, I know you mentioned the co-op opportunity before within the different specializations. So can you outline some of the research or co-op opportunities and what they're like?
Yeah, of course. So Michelle and I, as I said, are in honors biology, and we don't have the co-op that's similar to like biology pharmacology or the molecular biology options, which have really good sort of final year co-op. However, we do have a lot of exciting thesis opportunities and research opportunities. A lot of them are in your final year. And that's where students are given the opportunity to explore a research question, and you join a course that's either a senior thesis, which is 12 units, or a senior project, which is 6 units. And they allow you to go after some really interesting scientific questions. You get to know your professors better. You get to work with a lot of other students. And it doesn't even have to be in the Department of Biology. For instance, my thesis that I've sort of just started is in a kinesiology lab. So as long as it has something to do with biology and you can get a pass by your department, then you can get your research underway. And I really recommend it. It's super fun.
Okay, so for our next question, Michelle, would you like to answer what jobs you can get after obtaining this degree?
Yeah, so in the Honors Bio program, you have room to explore whatever area of biology you like the best, be it like genetics, physiology, ecology, the list really goes on. So understandably, there's a huge range of careers that Honors Bio graduates could go on to have. Lots of bio grads go to work in medical fields or in medical research labs. Some careers involve rehabilitation sciences. A large group of them go into research in different areas of biology, and more still might go into like, teaching, science writing, conservation, or public health. Many of these students might have gone on to postgraduate education, such as master's or even further to a PhD.
Now, last but not least, Rachel, what is one pro and one con of your program?
Yeah, so I thought about this for a long time. There's tons of pros because I obviously love my program. But one of the things, if I'm going to be honest, that I loved about my program is I got to leave calculus in first year. We did a statistics course in our second year, which is actually really awesome. But that was fun because I didn't really love calculus. Otherwise, I really love that it's a flexible course. That's probably my favorite thing about it is that I was able to do my minor because there's lots of options for not extracurriculars, but extra classes. The con, if I have to think of one, would probably be that second year is a pretty big jump from your first year. It seems really course heavy and really science heavy, and you don't really get a lot of wiggle room with the extra courses that you choose. But the good thing is that sort of clears up. In third year, you get to pick more interest courses, and in fourth year, you get to choose a lot of interest courses, or if you want to go on to research, you have that opportunity too.
Well, thank you for your perspective, both of you, on your program. I'm sure that it'll be very helpful for first years when they're looking to choose. So is there anything else that either of you would like to promote or any tips you'd like to give first years as we close off this interview?
Yeah, so our team at BioSoc is busy all year round. We provide a huge list of academic services to biology students, and many of them will be made remote this year. So some of the events with the best turnouts are the review sessions for the first years in the courses Bio 1 AO3 and Bio 1 MO3. These occur right before the big midterms, and they're just a really good place to review content, ask questions, and get help from upper-year bio students who have already taken the course.
We also run a lot of info nights for students who are curious about a range of topics. So we have a med school info night. We have an info night on all of the specializations that I mentioned earlier, so you can talk to actual professors and students in those specializations. We also have an undergraduate research night if you were interested in doing a co-op or even volunteering in a lab. Our wine and cheese night is one of the most popular ones, and it's where all biology students can come and talk with professors, and you can have snacks. And obviously, if you're over 19, you'll be given a glass of wine, and you'll have a really fun night. And lastly, throughout the whole year, we always sell a Biology Society apparel. So follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and keep an eye on our website for when we do those apparel drops.
Okay, so I think that wraps up our interview. Thank you so much, Rachel and Michelle. Your answers were super great and helpful. And yeah, I think that is it for today.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much, you guys.